successful business entrepreneurs are constantly dealing with two issues: how to make more money and what to do with the money already made. While options abound, good choices are limited. Brilliant financial allocation decisions are scarce, even for the best and brightest, and for a good reason. In this video, we'll be diving into the top 7 strategies that can not only supercharge the growth of your business, but also boost your personal wealth. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Number 1. Minimal value cash investment. The simplest and safest approach to create wealth from an idea is to try it with a minimal cash investment. That's how most entrepreneurs start their careers. Even in more mature businesses, testing a new approach works best when given all the same ingredients of a startup. Avoid the temptation to supercharge the startup with resources that are quickly consumed before the idea is fully vetted out. Instead, focus on business fundamentals. Offer a minimal value product or service with a minimal cash investment. Work to obtain a return, and then reinvest the proceeds to keep growing it incrementally. Number 2. Self-financing growth. As a business starts growing, there is usually a need for additional capital. The least expensive capital is your own. It is also limited and often insufficient. At this stage, most entrepreneurs choose to bootstrap. By keeping costs to a minimum and aggressively pursuing sales, some businesses manage to self-finance their growth from cash flow. Gross margins, payment cycles, and growth rate are critical for determining if this approach will be sustainable. Number 3. Growth investment. Often self-funding can limit more ambitious growth opportunities. Besides, some business concepts have to scale fast or become prey to others. This requires capital to accelerate growth. Growth capital usually comes from 2 sources: debt, equity, or a mix of the two. Debt capital is less expensive in the long run, but places a burden on the business and a personal liability on the entrepreneur. Number 4. Capacity building. Once a business is more mature and organic, growth is predictable. Further growth can come from increasing market share. This requires reinvesting a portion of existing and projected profits in capacity building. Managing future cash flows allows a business to fund growth by building a stronger infrastructure. The investment should be managed to generate predictable returns within a sustainable cash flow cycle. Number 5. Diversified revenue streams. If a business's product lines or service offerings are becoming so mature that growth is slowing down or even declining, it is time to diversify. Some entrepreneurs foresee the trend ahead of the competition and start diversifying early on. This move, if done successfully, can turn them into an industry innovator or disruptor. Successful diversification requires significant strategic foresight, as you need to bet on where the market is going to be hot. Number 6. Strategic partnerships and joint ventures. Strategic partnerships and joint ventures allow you to share in the risk and the rewards with a partner that brings in a new and attractive set of competencies. Engaging in a partnership implies that the main business is willing to invest a discrete amount of time, money, and expertise on a person or a group that brings a new and complementary set of resources or capabilities not available internally. Number 7. Mergers and acquisitions. When there is a need to deliver significant growth and ample financial resources are available, pursuing growth through acquisitions can prove the fastest way to achieve the goal. Acquisitions can bring in an existing business and entirely new portfolio of products, services, and customers. If structured correctly, an acquisition can create a financial event to help capitalize the seller and the buyer. Special attention needs to be paid to the ability to continue to manage the acquired business successfully after the transaction. And there you have it, 7 strategies to propel your business forward and boost your wealth. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. If you found value in today's video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay inspired and keep growing.